Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a GM phantom screen on a Chevy Silverado 2500. First, you'll want to confirm that the issue is indeed a phantom screen, which often looks like ghosting or flickering on your infotainment display. This problem can be quite frustrating, but with the right approach, it's definitely fixable. We'll walk through the steps to diagnose and resolve this common issue, ensuring your screen works perfectly again. Once you've identified the phantom screen, the next step is diagnosis. Begin by carefully checking all the cable connections behind your infotainment unit. Sometimes, a simple loose wire can be the culprit. You can also try a soft reset by disconnecting your vehicle's battery for about 15 minutes, then reconnecting it. This can often clear minor software glitches that might be causing the display issue. If checking connections and performing a reset doesn't resolve the phantom screen, the display unit itself might need replacement. You'll need to source a new, compatible screen, specifically designed for your Chevy Silverado 2500. There are many online resources and videos that provide step-by-step instructions for safely removing the old unit and installing the new one. Take your time and follow the instructions carefully for a successful repair. If you're not comfortable performing the repair yourself, or if the issue persists after trying these steps, it's always best to seek professional help. A certified automotive technician can accurately diagnose more complex problems and ensure the repair is done correctly. They have the specialized tools and expertise to handle intricate electrical systems. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.